Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you through grade 10 schools and subject selection. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. First of all, as you are aware that the learners are supposed to select 12 schools, and out of the 12 schools they're supposed to select 9 boarding schools, and these 9 boarding schools, we have 3 which are supposed to come from home county, and then we have 6 which are supposed to come outside the county. And then from there we have 3 day schools within your sub-county or your location. So when you add 3 plus 6 plus 3, you get a total of 12. And then we have subject combination. So you're supposed to select 4 schools. For the first option, you select 4 subjects combinations. So the subject combinations, we have the compulsory subjects and the choice are the one that you're supposed to choose. So the one that you're supposed to choose, for the first choice, there are 4 schools, and in each school you select 3 subject combinations. And then in the second choice, you repeat the same. Third choice, you repeat the same. Kwa shule ya kwanza una select subject combination 3. Unaenda kwa shule ya pili, you do the same, subject combination 3. Kwa shule ya 4, the same. And then from there, so this is the first choice breakdown. You're supposed to select 3 boarding schools, and out of the 3 boarding schools, remember, 1 is supposed to come from outside the county, and then 2 within, no, 1 is supposed to come within your county, and then 2 outside the county, and then 1 day school within your sub-county. So we have 1 county, 2 outside, and 1 day school. So this process you repeat 3 times. This information is just the same with the one on the previous slide. And then schools are categorized into clusters: cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, cluster 4. Cluster 1 are the former national schools or big schools. Those are cluster 1. And then cluster 2, they are extra county schools. They follow after, let's say, the national schools or those big schools. And then the county schools and sub-county schools. Most of them are sub-county schools, most of them are day schools. Then senior schools categories, there are 3 categories: 1 mixed, girls schools and boys schools. And then when you go to senior schools, these are the pathways that the senior schools will offer. We have arts and sports science, which for arts and sports science, it is divided into 2 tracks. We have arts and sports science. These are the 2 tracks. Sorry. And then we have social science. Social sciences, it has 2 tracks: languages and literature, then humanities and business studies. And then STEM, which is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. That one, it has 3 tracks: pure sciences, applied sciences, and technical studies. So as a learner, you're supposed to select one of the tracks. No, you select one of the pathways. So you can select either from arts, sports science, if you belong to arts and sports science. So this is the pathway. You just select one pathway, but for subject combination, you can either choose from these from this track, either arts or sports science, in those 12 choices that you'll make. So you can choose the subject combination from either this part or that part. Same to social science and same to STEM. And then on compulsory subjects in senior schools, we have English, Kiswahili, community service learning, and physical education. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can access the pathways. You view the subjects that each school offers, the subject within your track. The track, if you want to go to pure sciences, the subject that you can select in that track, applied sciences, humanities and business studies. I'll share that one in my next video, so stay tuned. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.